Hello student, in this video we are going to learn a new topic, that is chemical kinetics. Now the chemical kinetics is the branch of the chemistry, that is the physical chemistry, which deals with the study of speed or rate of a chemical reaction which is occurring under given condition of temperature, pressure and concentration. म्हणजे एखादी रिॲक्शन जर चालू असेल, त्याचं जे काही टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे, त्या कंडिशनमध्ये त्याची स्पीड आणि रेट याची स्टडी करणारी जी ब्रँच आहे त्याला म्हणलेलं आहे केमिकल कायनेटिक्स. नाउ द केमिकल रिॲक्शन्स are of different speed or the velocity. Some reactions are occurs in very fraction of time, that is they are having a time of 10 to the power minus 9 minus 10 second. Now they are too much fast reaction. There are some reactions which are too much slow, which occurs in the years, whose half life period is the thousandth year. That means half of that reactions are not completed, half of the reactants get converted into the product in the thousands of years. That means there are some reactions which are very fast, there are some reactions which are very slow, but the reactions which are very fast, which not allow us, which not give the opportunity to study their rates, and therefore in the chemical kinetics the reactions which are slow reactions are studied. आपल्याला माहिती आहे काही रिॲक्शन्स ह्या खूप फास्ट असतात, फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंडमध्ये येतात, घडतात, आणि काही रिॲक्शन्स ह्या खूपच स्लो आहेत, ज्याला कम्प्लिशन होण्यासाठी हजारो वर्ष लागतात. मग आता केमिकल कायनेटिक्समध्ये जी स्पीड स्टडी करायची आहे किंवा रेट स्टडी करायचा आहे, तर मग कुठल्या रिॲक्शनचा रेट स्टडी केला जातो, तर ज्या रिॲक्शन्स ह्या स्लो आहेत अशाच रिॲक्शनचा रेट किंवा स्पीड ही स्टडी केल्या जाते. फास्ट रिॲक्शनचा रेट किंवा स्पीड ही स्टडी केल्या जात नाही. Now there are different terms which are used in chemical kinetics. The important one is the rate of the reaction. Now the rate means the speed or the velocity of reaction. Now we know that when reaction occurs, then reactant get converted into the product. When the reaction is in the progress, then what happens, at the start the concentration of product is 0, but the concentration of reactant is the maximum, and as the reaction proceeds the concentration of reactant go on decreasing and that of the concentration of product go on increasing. And therefore to study the rate or the speed of the reaction, we have to consider either decrease in the concentration of reactant or increase in the concentration of product. And therefore the rate of reaction is defined as the decrease in the concentration of any one of the reactant per unit time or increase in the concentration of any one of the product per unit time is called as the rate of the reaction or the speed of the reaction or the velocity of the reaction. आपल्याला माहिती आहे केमिकल रिॲक्शन जर चालू असेल तर रिॲक्टंट जे आहे त्या रिॲक्टंट हा प्रॉडक्टमध्ये कन्वर्ट होतो. सुरुवातीला प्रॉडक्टचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हे 0 असतं, रिॲक्टंटचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हे मॅक्सिमम असतं. रिॲक्शन जशी जशी प्रोग्रेस होईल तर तसं रिॲक्टंटचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कमी कमी होत जातं आणि प्रॉडक्टचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इन्क्रीज होत जातं. म्हणून ज्यावेळेस स्पीड किंवा रेट किंवा व्हेलॉसिटी स्टडी करायची त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला एक तर रिॲक्टंटचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कन्सिडर करावं लागेल किंवा प्रॉडक्टचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कन्सिडर करावं लागेल. नाव द चेंज इन द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन पर युनिट टाईम इज द व्हेलॉसिटी. जसं आपल्याला माहिती आहे व्हेलॉसिटी, तुम्हाला गाडीची जर व्हेलॉसिटी मोजायची असेल तर डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल्ड पर युनिट टाईम. आता इथं डिस्टन्स नाही, इथं काय चेंज होतं, इथं चेंज इन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. देअरफॉर द चेंज इन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन पर युनिट टाईम इज द rate or velocity of the reaction. Now when we talk about in case of the reactant, then decrease in the concentration of the reactant. If there is a more than one reactant, then decrease in concentration of any one reactant per unit time is called as the speed of the reaction or rate of the reaction. प्रोडक्टच्या बाबतीत बोलायचं असेल तर increase in concentration of the product per unit time. If more than one product is there, then increase in the concentration of any one of the product per unit time is called as the velocity or rate of the reaction. Therefore, we can give the rate of the reaction in any one of the, in terms of any one of the reactant or any one of the product. आपण रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन हा कुठल्याही एका रिॲक्टंटच्या फॉर्ममध्ये सांगू शकतो किंवा कुठल्याही एका प्रोडक्टच्या फॉर्ममध्ये सांगू शकतो. राईट. इन जनरली द रेट इज डिनोटेड बाय लेटर आर. rate of reaction कशाने दाखवलेला r, and it is defined as dx by dt, where dx the change in concentration either of reactant or product in the time dt. dt type मध्ये चेंज झालेलं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन काय आहे dx, and therefore this ratio dx by dt gives the rate of reaction, and rate of reaction is generally represented by letter r. Now let us consider a reaction. A gives the product B, where capital A is the reactant and capital B is the product. Then rate of the reaction is given by means of two ways, that is in terms of reactant and in terms of product. If we have to give in terms of the reactant, therefore R is equal to dCA, that is the change in concentration of the reactant A in time dt. Therefore, instead of dx, here we consider dCA. dx is the change in concentration, here dC is the change in concentration in time dt of reactant A. Here is the negative sign. Negative sign is represent the decrease in the concentration. Negative sign काय represent करता इथं decrease in concentration. मग concentration reactantच decrease होते म्हणून इथं minus sign लिहिलं आहे. minus dCA by dt is the rate of the reaction. This is equation number 1. In terms of the product, we can say that the rate of reaction is the dCB by dt, where dCB is the change in the concentration in time dt of product. Now this is not reactant, this is the product B. The reactant चुकून आला, product B आहे, right? The negative sign in equation 1 indicates decrease in the concentration of reactant A with time, and the positive sign in equation 2 indicate the increase in the concentration of product B, right? म्हणून जेव्हा जेव्हा रिॲक्टन्स असेल त्यावेळेस तिथं निगेटिव्ह साईन द्यायला विसरायचं नाही, कारण काय सांगतं, देयर इज अ डिक्रीज इन द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, आणि पॉझिटिव्ह साईन असेल तर याचा अर्थ देयर इज इन्क्रीज इन द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. क्लिअर. नाउ दिस इज अबाउट the rate of the reaction. The rate of reaction can be given in terms of reactant or in terms of product. It can be given in terms of any reactant or in terms of any product by means of the equation 1 or equation 2. Now then, unit of rate of reaction. The rate of reaction is the concentration divided by time. The concentration is moles per liter divided by time. Therefore, the unit will be the mole per liter second, or simply we can write mole liter inverse second inverse. Time can be measured in terms of the minutes, second, then hours, then week, day, years, and therefore sometimes mole liter inverse time inverse is the general equation. If you measure the time in years, then it will be the year inverse. Clear. Now this is the unit of rate of reaction. Now then, next point which we have to study, the factors affecting rate of reaction or factors influencing the rate of reaction. Now here is the different factors which affect the rate of reaction. The first factor is the concentration, second is the temperature, third is the light or the radiation, and fourth is the catalyst. Effect of concentration. Now we know that during the rainy season what we see that there is a rusting of iron. आपल्याला माहिती आहे पावसाळ्यामध्ये आयर्न जो आहे किंवा लोखंडाचा तुकडा जर असेल तर त्याच्यावर गंज चढतो, राईट. तेच जर आयर्नचा तुकडा उन्हाळ्यामध्ये जर असेल तर तिथं त्याच्यावरती गंज चढत नाही. काय कारण आहे? बिकॉज इन द रेनी सीजन द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ ह्युमिडिटी or the water molecules in the atmosphere is more, whereas in the summer the air is the dry, there is no humidity, and that's why there is no rusting of iron. This indicates that with increase in the concentration, the rate of reaction increases, and therefore here is the according to the law of mass action, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the molar concentration of reactant. The rate of reaction changes with the time because the concentration of reactant decreases with time. Thus, the rate of reaction increases with increase in the concentration of reactant and decreases with the decrease in concentration of reactant. This means that the rate of reaction is directly proportional to that of the concentration. याचा अर्थ rate of reaction हे directly proportional आहे concentration चा. Concentration increase झालं, rate of reaction increase होणार. Concentration decrease झालं, rate of reaction decrease होणार. Now this is the effect of concentration on rate of reaction. And another factor is the temperature. Now this temperature has striking effect on the rate of reaction. At ordinary temperature of a chemical, reaction is slow, but if you increase the temperature of any chemical reaction, then due to the absorption of heat energy, the moment of the particle increases, collision between the particle increases, and according to the collision theory of reaction rate, the formation of product molecule will increase. Ultimately the rate of reaction will increase, and therefore it may become fast or explosive with temperature raised. Temperature वाढलं की rate of reaction काय होतो, increase होतं, right? And thus the rate of reaction increases with increase in the temperature. It is observed that rate constant is doubled for rise in temperature of 10 degree Celsius. 10 degree Celsius ने जर तुम्ही टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज केलं एखाद्या रिॲक्शनचा, त्याचा रेट कॉन्स्टंट हा डबल होतो. क्लियर? Now this is the second factor. That means the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the temperature, like that of the concentration. Now effect of light or radiation. Now we know that there are some reaction which absorb the light or the radiation, like that of X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible and infrared rays. एनर्जी ॲब्सॉर्ब केल्या जाते फोटॉन्सच्या फॉर्ममध्ये किंवा क्वांटमच्या फॉर्ममध्ये, जसं की एक्सरेज ॲब्सॉर्ब केल्या जातात किंवा अल्ट्राव्हायोलेट रेडिएशन्स ॲब्सॉर्ब केल्या जातात किंवा व्हिजिबल इन्फ्रारेड रेडिएशन्स ॲब्सॉर्ब केल्या जातात. वी नो दॅट द फोटॉन्स आर द बंडल्स ऑर द पॅकेट्स ऑफ एनर्जी, अँड ड्यू टू द ॲब्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ एनर्जी द रेट ऑफ द रिॲक्शन इन्क्रीजेस. वेगवेगळ्या रिॲक्शन्स वेगवेगळ्या एनर्जीचे फोटॉन ॲब्सॉर्ब करतात आणि त्याचे रेट इन्क्रीज होतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इन केस ऑफ द रिॲक्शन बिटवीन हायड्रोजन अँड क्लोरीन, द रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन is increases when this reaction mixture is exposed to the sunlight. सनलाईटच्या प्रेझेन्समध्ये ही रिॲक्शन होते. जेवढा जास्त सनलाईट असेल तेवढी ही रिॲक्शन फास्ट होणार, राईट? Therefore there is effect of light or radiation on the rate of reaction. With absorption of radiation, the rate of reaction increases. Now effect of catalyst. We know that the catalyst is the substance which enhances the rate of reaction. We know that rate of reaction काय करतं, catalyst enhance करतं, which is a positive catalyst. For example, the decomposition of the potassium chloride into potassium chloride and that of the oxygen, potassium chloride and oxygen, हे जे आहे हे decomposition होतं potassium chloride. But this rate of reaction increases in the presence of a substance like manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide हा जो substance आहे याच्या प्रेझेन्समध्ये त्याचा रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन इन्क्रीज होत आहे. याचा अर्थ मॅग्नीज डायऑक्साईड हे काय आहे, कॅटालिस्ट आहे. ॲक्च्युली कॅटालिस्ट डू नॉट टेक पार्ट इन टू द रिॲक्शन, इट रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड ॲट द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द रिॲक्शन. ओनली it affect on the rate of reaction, it increases or the enhances the rate of reaction. Therefore we can say that the catalyst affect on the rate of reaction. A positive catalyst is there, then the rate of reaction increases. Now in this way these are the factors which affects on the rate of reaction. That is the first first is the concentration, directly proportionality. Second is the temperature, there is also directly proportionality. Effect of light, absorption of light increases the rate of reaction. Effect of catalyst, presence of a positive catalyst, rate of reaction increases. These are the four factors which affect the rate of reaction. Now the next point which we have to study is a rate constant or velocity constant. Now let the rate constant of a reaction. Now here is the definition, how that definition comes, which we have to study. Now let us consider the reaction. A plus B gives the product, where A and B are the reactants. Now the rate of the reaction is given as R dx by dt. Now according to the law of mass action, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the molar concentration of reactant if there is only one reactant, and is directly proportional to the product of, product म्हणजे गुणाकार, product of molar concentration of reactant when more than one reactants are there. ज्यावेळेस एकापेक्षा जास्त रिॲक्टंट्स असतील त्यावेळेस त्याच्या कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनचा, मोलार कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनचा गुणाकार घेतला जातो, आणि एकच रिॲक्टंट असेल तर तिथं त्या रिॲक्टंटचा मोलार कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ही डायरेक्ट, दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ ऑफ मास ॲक्शन. आपण लिहिलेलं हे लॉ ऑफ मास ॲक्शननुसार the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the product of molar concentration of reactant A and reactant B, right, where Ca is the molar concentration of reactant A and Cb is the molar concentration of reactant B. या दोन्हीचा गुणाकार जो असेल ते directly proportional असतं rate of reaction. Now this proportionality constant can be converted into the equal to by placing a proportionality constant K. Therefore rate of reaction is equal to K into Ca into Cb, where K is the proportionality constant. Now this proportionality constant is known as velocity constant or the rate constant. याला म्हणलेलं आहे velocity constant किंवा rate constant. If the molar concentration of reactant A is 1 mole per liter and reactant B is also 1 mole per liter, याचा अर्थ दोन्ही reactants concentration 1 mole per liter जर असेल, so this becomes 1, this becomes 1, we can say that R is equal to K or K is equal to R. Now here we can define the rate constant or velocity constant. कसं define करणार? This velocity constant or rate constant is a rate of reaction when the concentration of each reactant is unity. That means each reactant is having कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन 1 मोल पर लिटर. ज्यावेळेस प्रत्येक रिॲक्टंटचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन 1 मोल पर लिटर असेल त्यावेळेसचा जो रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन असेल त्याला म्हणायचं रेट कॉन्स्टंट. अँड दिस रेट कॉन्स्टंट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज ए स्पेसिफिक रिॲक्शन रेट or it is also called as a velocity constant. In generally the velocity constant is represented by letter K. K ह्या लेटरनं दाखवलेलं असतं. Now unit of rate constant. The unit of rate constant is, आता रेट कॉन्स्टंटचं युनिट काढायचं असेल तर आपल्याला K चं युनिट काढायचं म्हणजे R डिवायडेड बाय CA बाय CB असं होईल तिथे. मग R जे आहे तर R चं युनिट आपल्याला माहिती आहे काय आहे. R चं युनिट मोल लिटर इनवर्स टाइम इनवर्स, आणि कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनचं युनिट काय आहे moles per liter. Now if you consider that then we will get the unit of rate constant as liter divided by mole raised to power A plus B plus C in a bracket minus 1 into time inverse or second inverse, or liter by mole into bracket raised to power A plus B plus C minus 1, or we can say that this A plus B plus C is equal to N, where N is the order of reaction. इथं N सुद्धा लिहिता येतं आपल्याला, म्हणून liter per mole raised to power N minus 1 second inverse. Now this is the unit of rate constant, where N is the order of reaction, right. R मध्ये इथं N लिहायचं आपल्याला, A plus B plus C च्या ऐवजी N लिहायचं, where N is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to order of reaction. मग कुठल्याही ऑर्डरची रिॲक्शन असेल तर त्याचा रेट कॉन्स्टंटचं युनिट लिहिता येते आपल्याला लिटर पर मोल N minus 1 second inverse. Now this is the unit for a rate constant. Now then one more definition of a kinetic equation. कशाला म्हणायचं kinetic equation? त्यालाच म्हणलेलं आहे kinetic expression, कधी कधी kinetic expression, किंवा त्यालाच म्हणलेलं आहे रेट एक्सप्रेशन, किंवा त्यालाच म्हणलेलं आहे रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन, किंवा त्यालाच म्हणायचं रेट इक्वेशन और रेट लॉ इक्वेशन. डिफरंट वे कॅन बी ask कुठल्याही पद्धतीने विचारू शकता. So what is the kinetic equation? It is the equation which gives the relation between rate of reaction and the concentration of reactant. Rate of reaction आणि concentration of reactant याच्यातलं रिलेशन सांगणारं जे इक्वेशन आहे त्याला म्हणायचं कायनेटिक इक्वेशन किंवा रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन किंवा रेट इक्वेशन. Clear? Now this is about the 2 points, that is the rate of reaction and that of the rate constant or velocity constant. We studied the unit of both and one definition, that is the kinetic equation. Now we will stop here. Thank you.